Do you like getting handcuffed? Do you like getting handcuffed?
Yes!
Do you want $1 or a mystery gift?
Mystery gift.
Okay, let me see your hand. I'm gonna take this key. I'll see you in a day. You could have whatever's inside after a day.
You are not getting your jacket back.
Nope.
Get this off of me! No, I'm kidding. You're pissing me off.
One eternity later.
We're heading to the mall to get this. Get this off of me.
She is done. She said, get this off of me. All right. You gave me the key? Sorry, I'm just kidding.